What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix app not opening on Windows 10. We will tell you the method and the step you have to use to fix this problem, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Method 1. Check update. Click on Microsoft Store and open it. Afterward click on Library. Click on Get Updates and install the latest update of that application in which you are facing a problem. Method 2. Restore point. Here you have to restore your Windows 10 PC to the back date. To do that, click on Search option and type RestoreHealth. You'll see an option to open it. Click Next. Select your restore point, and before you select your restore point, make sure you check the option which says show more restore point. After that, select your restore point, click on scan for affected programs and check the affected programs after you restore. Here you can see two sections, program and driver that will be deleted and program and driver that might be restored. If you are satisfied with the result, click on Close, select your restore point, click on Next and restore your Windows 10 PC to the date when it was working perfectly fine. Method 3. Check Windows Update. Here you have to check the Windows Update. To do so, click on Start, click on Settings, scroll it down, click on Update and Security. Here you'll see an option to check update. Click on it and install the Windows 10 latest update. Method 4. Troubleshoot. Here you have to perform two steps. First, you have to troubleshoot the app in which you are facing a problem, and the second one is to troubleshoot Microsoft Store. To perform the first step, click on Start, click on Settings, click on Apps. Here you'll see that application in which you are facing problem. In my case, I'm selecting Microsoft Photos. Click on it, click on Advanced option, scroll it down, click on Repair. If this option does not work, you can go with Reset option as well, but make sure when you click on Reset, it will delete all the app data from that application. You'll see the same warning when you click on Reset. Here you can see this will permanently delete the app's data on this device. Click on Reset if Repair is not working for you. Afterward, go back to Home screen, scroll it down, click on Update and Security, click on Troubleshoot, scroll it down, click on Additional Troubleshooters, scroll it down to the bottom and you'll see Windows Store app. Click on it, run the troubleshooter. It will take some time to start some services and it will check some things, so let it run this Windows troubleshoot. After running this troubleshoot, simply restart your PC and check if that helps you to fix your problem. Method 5. Windows Update Services. Here we have to check the Windows Update Services. To check that services, type in here Services. Click on Open. Here we have to search for Windows Update Services. Simply click on any of the services and type W on your keyboard, scroll it down and search for Windows Update. Here you can see, do a right click, click on Properties and make sure you select this option Automatic. Click on Start, afterward click on Apply and OK. Restart your PC and check if that helped you to fix your problem. Method 6. System File Check and DISM commands. Here we have to run some commands All commands are mentioned in the description, so you can copy those commands from the description. To run the commands, you have to click in the search, type cmg, click on run as administrator, click on yes. Here you have to type the command sfc /scannow and press enter. After running this command, there are some other commands as well. The DISM command, you simply have to paste commands in here and afterward press enter. Make sure you run those commands one by one. The first one is to check the health, the second one is to scan the health, and the third one is to restore the health. All commands are mentioned in the description, so copy and paste the command one by one and run it on your Windows 10 PC. Afterward, restart your PC and I'm pretty sure your problem will get resolved. So that's all for today. I hope our method will help you to fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.